What a difference 3 decades make. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, marked the 30th anniversary of the launch of its crash testing program by pitting a 1996 Chevrolet Blazer against a 2026 Chevrolet Blazer in a one-on-one head-on impact evaluation. The 96 Blazer is a body-on-frame truck, while the current model uses a unibody construction and the latest safety engineering, which proved to provide far greater protection to passengers. The battle for the ages featured the moderate overlap front crash test at 40 miles per hour, which simulates a common crash for vehicles traveling in opposite directions, where 40% of their front ends on the driver's side are impacted. Both vehicles sustained significant damage, but the 2026 Blazer's passenger compartment remained intact, while the 96 models showed significant intrusions, including the displacement of the dashboard and steering wheel into the driver's lap. Based on the data recovered, the new Blazer's driver would have seen just a slightly elevated right foot or lower leg injury risk, while the old Blazer's driver would have likely suffered serious, potentially fatal injuries. The IIHS notes that the 96 Blazer originally received a poor score on this test, while the new Blazer's has always been good. The test echoes another noteworthy demonstration that was conducted to celebrate the IIHS's 50th anniversary in 2009, when it crashed a 2009 Chevrolet Malibu and a 1959 Chevrolet Bel Air with similar results. Interestingly, along with the 5 decades of engineering improvements, the vehicles also differed in their design, with the Bel Air using a body-on-frame construction like the 96 Blazer and the 2009 Malibu a modern unibody sedan platform. If you want to keep up with the latest IIHS crash test news, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and check out American Cars and Racing every day.